I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys, I had gone shopping the other day, and I went to a kitchen supply store, and I had to get some more piping bags. I guess I could show you that too. There. This is the kind I used. My husband was like, "Oh, you need to get a piping bag," and I said, No, I was using like Ziploc bags, and then I kept having warm soap bust out of them, but I'm also going to try that tip that Karen has too with the ketchup bottle. But anyway, I got some these salt shakers here, and they were like 80 cents a piece for my glitter, and they work really good, except for the gold I showed you there, and my son got all heavy-handed. But anyway, they work really great. And then Kay Cherie had the idea of doing her colors and just mixing glycerin in there, so I did that. I didn't have any squirt bottles. I had a bunch of these containers I have for my body butter and stuff, so I just mixed it in there, and because I only had a little bit of color anyway, but I used some of them. But that was, wow, what a money-saving idea that is. So I just wanted to show you guys that. See you in a bit.